How to view in Google Maps PC. Need to explore places or plan trips? Let's review Google Maps on your PC. So, first, open Google Maps in your browser, and then from here, go ahead and search for a location, type an address, landmark, or coordinates, then press enter. Once you have selected a place, go ahead and zoom it in. So click on control and then zoom in and out using your mouse scroll or the plus and minus buttons. Now switch views. Use map or satellite view or drag the yellow pegment for street view. You can also drop pin and measure. So right click to drop a pin or measure a distance between points. Viewing Google Maps on PC is simple, powerful, and perfect for planning trips or meetups.